boys and girls, is a bandsaw. Now, bandsaws are called bandsaws because they have a serrated metal band on the inside of them that most commonly runs on two large wheels. The wheels are covered with a handguard so you don't get your shirt ripped off your body while cutting a piece of wood, and there is a small milled platform for your work to rest on. Most of the time you have a fancy bandsaw that can tilt the table back, forth, left, right, up, down, or whatever direction your heart desires. Above the platform is a little piece of metal that surrounds the blade and has two jobs. Job number 1 is to keep the blade from warping and jumping off the wheels while you're using the bandsaw. And job number 2 is to keep you from cutting off your valuable little fingers that you need to touch things. Now I hear you saying, Keaton, what happens when the blade breaks and or comes off the wheels? Well, I'll tell you right now that it's not a good time. Due to the fact that the bandsaw blade can spin from 30 to 40 miles per hour, depending on its size, and depending on its weight, which would be 1 to 2 pounds, you won't have a fun time if one gets shot at you. It's like a big metal snake of destruction just itching to bite your face off. In terms of operation, to use a bandsaw, you have to use the correct blade to cut the correct material, using a large amount of teeth for small metals, and using a smaller amount of teeth for wood or plastic. When feeding material into the blade, you have to go at a slow and non-rushed pace, and you have to have a steady hand. And always remember to wear safety glasses and have a partner with you at all times when using a bandsaw, as well as not wearing baggy or loose clothing. The power switch is very commonly found under the cutting platform, but in newer models, you can find it on the proverbial neck of the bandsaw. I very much hope that this video has informed you of the do's and don'ts of using a bandsaw. Thank you for watching, and come back next time, where we don't talk about anything at all. Actually, this is a one-time thing. And remember, the more you know, the stronger you are. This video is a byproduction of Alternative Energy 2.